Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Hi, welcome my dear friends. This is the question paper of CA Foundation, December 2020. Some of the people made based upon their memory. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is not publishing any of the question paper officially. So some of the fellows, the credit goes to them. I don't know who made this question paper. So let's see here in this question paper in the chapter time value of money, there were 14 questions were tested. So I'm going to do this question. Okay. Now what sum of money? Most of the questions I will be doing with the help of calculator. I will try not use the formula. Let's see. What sum of money will produce rupees 42,800 as the interest in 3 year 3 month? Now remember 3 year 3 month. 3 month means it is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means it is 0.25. That means it's a quarter year. So that means 3 year 3 month you are supposed to read 3.25 year at a 2.5 percentage simple interest. The technique for finding this question is very simple. It's 42,800. What is that? 42,800. This is the interest divided by 3.25 divided by 0.025. You will get the answer. 42,800 divided by 3.25 divided by 0.025. The answer is 52 5,26,792. That is 5,26,769 is the answer. What is that? 42,800. So 42,800 divided by 3.25 divided by 0.025. The answer is 5,26,769.23 is the answer. This is the technique which can be cracked the questions. So the students who watch the previous videos of mine will be able to crack this question much more faster than I did. Now, if you are not able to do the other way, that the reverse technique is, now you can do like this: 378,000. Check it option A. 3,78,000 into 3.25 into 0.025. Check it. The answer is 30712. This is wrong. Option B, 526,769 into 3.25 into 0.025. The answer is 42,799.98. That is 42,800 approximately. In that way, option B is right answer. But these questions can be cracked in seconds. Now, on what sum will compound interest at 5% per annum for 2 years is compounded annually is rupees 3280. So, what is the compound? The compound interest for 2 years, it is 3280. So, my dear friends, it's a question on 5%. It's a question on 2 year. It is 1.02 to the power 2. So 1.05 to the power 2, which is 1.1025. So this is the accumulated value. The principal into this is the accumulated value. The compound interest factor is 0.1025. This is the compound interest factor. So compound interest factor is 0.1025. Now the question is saying that 3280 is the compound interest. 3280 divided by 0.1025. The answer is 32,000. It's simple. It's simple. Or you have to take option A. 16,000 into 1.05 to the power 2, whether it is getting 16 plus 3280, 19,280, or check it 32,000 into 1.1025 or 32,000 into 1.05 to the power 2, whether it is 35,280. Like that you have to do if you are an ordinary student or if you are not comfortable with the speedy technique. Okay, now question number 15. An amount P become 51,005 and 5203 after second and fourth year respectively at R percentage interest per annum compounded annually. Thus the value of P and R. What is the rate of interest? Oh my goodness. Let's check option A. Okay, there is There is a alternative technique which will be time consuming. Some principle, actually, some principle into 1 plus r to the power 4 and some principle to the power 1 plus r to the power 2 will be this. So this is time consuming, so don't do that. The better way is go with option. Let's say 5001%, check it. So 1% means it is not 1.1, this is 10%, this is 1.01 in the second year. Okay, so let's check it in the second year. 1.01 into equal into 5000, the answer is 5100.5. This condition is satisfied. Now 1.01, now 1.01 to the power 4 into equal. This is 1.040, 1.04060401 into 5000. The answer is 5203.02. This condition is also satisfied. So option A is the right answer. Sometimes giving values to the options will give you answer. Okay. Now question number 16. A certain sum is invested at 4% per annum compounded semi-annually. Now listen, the 4% is the annual interest rate. So half yearly interest rate is 2%. Half year interest is 2%. So code is 1.02. So compounded semi-annually amounts to 1,20,000 at the end of the first year. Find the sum. Oh my goodness. So this is only 1 year question. So interest is compounded half yearly. So 1 year impact on compounding, that is 1.02 to the power 2. That is 1.0404. So this is the value, this is the accumulated value, 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 divided by 1.0404. So 1,20,000 divided by 1.0404. The answer is 115340.25. 115340. This is option B is the right answer. So it's all very simple. If you are watched my early videos, so these are very simple. Now let's question number 17 is a question on annuity. The ratio of principal and compound interest value for 3-year compounded is 216 is to 127. Find the rate of interest. The ratio of principal and compound interest. So there is a principal and there is a compound interest which is 216 is to 127. So the principal which is 216 and the compound interest is 127. So I am just adding 216 plus 127 which is 343. Now I'm just trying to find out the percentage. So 216 divided by 343 which is approximately 0.6297, 62.97. So 127 divided by 343 which is 0.3702, approximately 37%. Now the question, at what percentage, what is the ratio? The ratio and principal of compound interest, ratio of principal and compound interest for 3 years. Let's check it. Okay. Now the rate of interest is, one is 0.1567, that is 15.67. If it is 15.67, it will be 1.1567 to the power 3. Let's check it. 1.1567 to the power 3. So second year, third year, the value which I got is 1.5476. Okay. So this is the principal, 0.5476 is the compound interest. That is the meaning. Principal is 1, compound interest is 0.5476. Now I am just, the total is 1.56, 1.5476. 1 divided by 1.5476, this is 64%, not 62%. So option A is wrong. This is 64%. 1 divided by 1.115 4, which is 64%. The option A is wrong. Now option B, 1.17.7, 1.177. 7 to the power 3. I'm just checking. So 1.177 to the power 3 into equal, which is 1.6334. That means principal is 1, compound interest is 0.6334, and the total is 1.6334. Now I'm checking what is the percentage of principal. 1 divided by 1.63334, which is 61.24. This is 62. So option B is also wrong. Option B is also wrong. This is little bit complicated question. Let's see what we will do. Complicated. This is principal, this is interest. Now option C, 16.66. So 1.1666666, that is 1.1666666 to the power 3, into equal, which is 1.5879. So this is principal is 1, compound interest is 0.5879. So the ratio of the principal is, the proportion of the principal, the percentage of the principal is 1 divided by 1.5879, which is 62.97. Exactly this is. So the answer is option C. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. And this is a little bit confusing question, little bit tough question actually. It is not a ordinary question. Okay. Now question number 18. An amount is lent. Amount is lent at a nominal rate of 4.5% per annum, compounded quarterly. What would be the gain in rupees over when it compounded annually? Oh my God. Now what actually the question is, what is the effective rate of interest? Actually 4.5%. This is not a gain question. Actually it's the difference between effective rate of interest and the normal rate of interest. That is a simple question. So what is the difference over annual compounding and what is the difference between quarterly compounding? This is what they are checking. Annual interest rate is 4.5%. So quarterly interest is 4.5 divided by 4, which is 1.125% is the quarterly interest. So if interest rate is quarterly computed, this will be 1.125 means 1.0125 to the power 4. This will be the value 1.0125 into equal second quarter, equal third quarter, equal fourth quarter, which is once again 4.5 divided by 4, 1.125. Oh, here it is 1.1125. Here 1.1125. There is something wrong. So this is 1.01125 into equal first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, which is 1.04576. Okay, just minor. This means the interest rate is 4.576. That means interest rate is 4.576 percentage. So here instead of getting 4.5, you will have an excess 0.76. Actually this is not 0.76. Over 1,000 rupee or over then it is fine. 4.5776 minus 4.5, it is 0.076 is the right answer. So if it is over 1,000 rupee, then you will have a gain of 0.76. Anyway, answer is nearing to that. It is not near. There is a big mistake. Anyway, maybe it could be a typing mistake. I believe so. Okay, so answer is 0.076. Now, question number 19. Which of the following statement is true? Future value of ordinary annuity less than future value of annuity due. Now, my dear friends, in annuity due, first payment is made at the beginning of the period. So the future value of annuity due will be always greater than ordinary annuity. Future value of ordinary annuity. So option A is right. So future value of ordinary annuity will be always greater than future value of annuity due will be always greater than ordinary annuity. Now question number 20. So question number 20, suppose you deposit 900 per month into an account that pays 14.8% interest compounded monthly. How much money will you get after 9 months? Okay. Now actually there is something is missing in the question. Whether this 14.8% per month, there is a less chance. 14.8% you are getting for a month. Actually, this is a annual interest rate which is supposed to be specifically mentioned in the question. So the monthly interest rate will be 14.8 divided by 12, which is 1.2333333%. And now you are depositing 900 at the end of the every month. So how much money will you get after 9 months? So it's a question on 9 months. So rate of interest is 1.2233%. So you are supposed to find out the future value. So there is a simple technique for finding future value. Step number 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1. So into 1.01233333, because the rate of interest is 1.223. So into, so what is the first step number 1? Once again you can press AC. 1 into 1 equal into 1.01233333. The code of 1.233% interest is 1 plus I. 1 plus I is 1.0123. 1.223 divided by 100 plus 1, that is 1.012333. So equal, now in the calculator the answer is 1.012333. Now you press into equal, into equal. So the answer in your calculator is 1.02481. But this answer is not relevant to us. But on the left side it is showing 09. This is a 3 period. We have computed for 3 period. If it is 3 period, here it is 09. That means 6 period is excess. 6 period is excess. This is a question on 9 month. So 9 plus 6, which is 15. Until it reaches 15 in my calculator, I am pressing equal. Now I am pressing GT. I got 9.45, 9.457. So 9.457 is the future value. So into 900, which is 8511.31. 8511.31, you will get 31 paisa extra. 8511.31. Actually, for finding future value, there is a formula 1 plus I all raised to n, okay, minus 1 divided by I. I am not using any formula for any of these calculation. Everything is calculator techniques. Okay. Question number 21, rupees 2500 is paid every year for 10 years to pay off a loan. That means you taken a loan, your loan EMI is 2500. What is the loan amount if interest is 14% per annum compounded annually? So this is the present value of an annuity. The rate of interest is 14%. How to find out the loan? So EMI factor is the present value annuity. Step number 1. 1 divided by 1.14, 1 divided by 1.14, which is 0.8719. So into equal, this is period 2. This is period 2. I got 0.76946 in my calculator. When it is period 6 on the calculator, it is 06. So this is a question on 10 period. So when it is period 2, it is 06. That means 4 period is excess. If it is 10 year, so 4 period should have to be excess. So until it reaches 14 in my calculator, I am pressing equal. So the value which reaches is 14, the 0.2697. There is nothing we record for 0.2697. Press GT button, which is 5.216. Okay. So if you are paying 10 times at the end of every year, which is having a value of 5.216, Now you multiply 5.216 with 2500. So into 2500 you will get 13040.28. 13040.28. So 27 is the answer over here. So this is how to find out the present value of a loan EMI. If you need to know more about this present value, there is a video available in YouTube. You can search how to find out EMI, Asif Pazheri EMI. You will be available to get it. Okay, so that you can expert. Now question number 22, the present value of rupees 1 lakh to be required after 5 years if rate of interest is 9%. And here there is something which is given. Actually, if you want to get 1 lakh, there are two different ways to solve. Both are same. So the rate of interest is 9%, which is 1.09 to the power 5. So which is already given 1.5386. So 1 lakh divided by 1.5386. So answer is 64,994.15. This is the one answer. Or else you have many different ways. 1 divided by 1.09. This is the first year. Equal second year, equal third year, equal fourth year, equal fifth year into 1 lakh. The answer is 64,993.13. Or you can find out many other way. So 1 lakh divided by 1.09 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 5 times. The answer is 64,993.13, approximately 993. Okay, so 64,993. Next question number 23. Determine the present value of a perpetuity of rupees 10 per month for infinite period with an effective rate of interest of 14% per annum. Now, my dear friends, you are supposed to receive rupees 10 at the end of every month. It's a monthly question. So you have to convert the interest into monthly. 14% is the annual interest rate. 14 divided by 12, the interest rate is 1.166666666. So the present value of an perpetuity is next year payment divided by rate of interest. Rate of interest is 1.1666666%. That is 0.011666666666. That is 10 divided by 0.011666666. The answer is 857.1428. So 857.1428. Option C, 857 is the right answer. Next, question number 24. Find the future value of annuity of rupees 1000 made annually for 7 years at an interest rate of 14% compounded annually. So you can find out this with the help of formula 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 divided by I. This is the one formula, and this is very easy to compute over here because 2.5023 is the value minus 1 divided by the rate of interest is 0.14. So this is very easily you can find out. 2.5023 minus 1 divided by 0.14. 10.73 is the answer. 10.73 into 1000, the answer is 10730. 10730.7142 is the exact answer. Or else you can use the future value technique with the help of calculator. With the help of calculator, you can do like this: 1 into 1 equal to 1 into 1 into 1 equal to, so 1 into 1 equal to 1 into 1.14 into 1.14 equal 1.14. Now into equal. Now what is that? Into equal. The value which is 1.29996. 1.29996. When I got 1.29996, this is a period 3, and on the left of my calculator it is 09. So when it is 3 period, it is 09. That means 6 period is excess. So this is a question on 7 period. So 7 plus 6 until it reaches 13. Until it reaches 13, I have to press equal. So equal until it reaches, it is 2.19. Now what I have to do? I have to press GT. 10.73. 10.73 into 1000. The answer is 10730. 10730 is the answer. So be an expert in present value, future value. If you have seen my videos, we have done many complicated questions, n number of questions in seconds, present value, future value, and all that. Okay, question number 25. A 5-year annuity due. Due means first payment is made at the beginning of the year. So what is the formula for finding the future value? Okay, I think that is the question. Okay, a 5-year annuity due. Due means the first payment is made at the beginning of the first year, has periodic cash flow of ₹100 each year. If the rate of interest is 8%, the future value of this annuity. If it is an annuity due, what you have to do, find the present value of normal annuity or normal annuity. First you find out, then multiply it by rate of interest, that is 1.08. So that is future value at the rate of 8% for 5 year, that into 100 rupees, 100 into normal annuity future period. Once you got the answer, multiply it by 1.08. Option C is the right answer. So how to find out the future value of a annuity or due? Find the normal annuity future value, then find, you will get an answer and multiply that answer with the rate of interest, that is 1.08, not 0.08 into 1.08. You will get one more year interest, because it's a 5-year annuity due is like a 5-year normal annuity, and after making all the payment you are waiting for one more year. That is the logic of ordinary annuity. So annuity due, which I have expressed with the help of some diagram. Now question number 26, find compound interest if an amount of 50,000 is deposited in a bank for 1 year at a rate of 8% per annum, compounded semi-annually. You are supposed to find out the compound interest. 8% is the annual interest rate, and the interest is compounding semi-annually. That means half year interest is 4%. So it's a question on 1 year. So 1.04 to the power 2. So 1.04 to the power 2, 1.04 into the answer is 1.0816. This money, the principal into 1.0816 is the accumulated money, and 0.0816 is the into principal is the interest. Into principal is the interest. 0.0816 into 50,000, which is 4080, is the compound interest. So this question paper, people say this is the toughest question paper, where 14 questions on time value of money is tested, and many of the students are not able to do the questions on time value because of the complexity of the questions. I do believe it is a very simple question. Very simple question. You should know how to find out the present value of annuity ordinarily, how to find out the present value of annuity due, how to find out the future value of annuity or due, future value of annuity ordinary, like how to find out the compounding effect, how to find out the present value. All these things which we have explained in our LearnCab classes. And most of the questions we have not done the questions with the help of formula. For any questions, for any complex questions, we have done that kind of questions in 1 or 2 or 3 different ways, and most of the questions we try to do solve with the help of calculator. With the help of the calculator, we have done divide into even the NPV questions, and all we have done with the help of the calculator. Thank you all for waiting for your feedback. I have gone with a little bit speed. The speed which I taught my student how to solve this question is much more faster than this. This is five times or 3 times more faster than the students who have watched my video will be able to solve the question which I have done right now. So that means if you are not able to have enough speed, that means you have not learned the time value of money chapter with the help of the proper techniques. So try to learn the time value of money with the enough techniques that you needed to solve the questions in seconds, not in minutes. Thank you all.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.